Okay. Sure. This is also part of the. Yes, you made this the break. Yes. Done? Thank you. Yeah, so our purpose of visiting the localities was to review the beautification project that we had started in Shillong, Jowai and in Tura. And I'm very happy to see that there has been a very positive response from all the localities. And this project has gone beyond just simple beautification. It is really a project of integration, I should say, where the localities, the Darbars, the youth, the women's group and the government have worked together for the first time to do a positive thing for our city. And therefore I take this opportunity to thank each and every Darbar and all the Rangbashnongs and the leaders who have really participated and made this program a success. And we want to assure everybody that we will continue to have this program in the future also and find ways and means on how the localities, the community and the government can work together for the betterment of society and our towns, our cities and the state. Thank you very much.